Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today is the start of what I'm hoping to be a new series here on my channel. I've been playing around and kind of thinking about how I can do some type of Flylady accountability video each week. So I want to try this out for the next month and we'll see how it goes. So if this is something that y'all like, please let me know. Please like it, share it, comment. That way I know that this is something that you all like. Like I said, this is gonna be a weekly accountability video. I'm planning to post these every Monday morning and kind of give you the plan for the week. What I'm hoping to accomplish with this is to kind of give you some inspiration and encouragement so that you can also do this. I will let you guys know how my week went. I will let you know how my routines went. Did I get my zone cleaning done? Things like that. And then in return, I want you to let me know in the comments what you were able to accomplish and get done, how you feel like the week went for you. That way we can kind of just hold each other accountable. I really want those of you that follow these Flylady videos, I really want this to become a tight-knit community. And I feel like this will be a good way for us to bounce ideas off of each other and things like that. So that is my goal for these videos. Like I said, I want to do these for at least 4 weeks, and then hopefully this will be something that I can just continue to do each and every week. All right, so typically I would start a series at the beginning of the month on Zone 1. That's not going to be the case this time. I started the Flylady's 31 Baby Steps in September. If you followed my channel back then, you know that I did a video every single day for 31 days. The month of October felt kind of rocky for me. I was kind of still trying to find my way through zone cleaning and the weekly home blessing hour and kind of setting up my daily focuses for the week and things like that. Here we are in November and things are finally starting to feel a little bit smooth. Most weeks at this point in the video, I would kind of do a recap of what I did last week. I'm not going to do that this week simply because tomorrow, come back to my channel tomorrow on Tuesday, I'm going to have a new video out and it is actually going to show you what I did for my Zone 2. It's actually going to be titled something different. It was kind of a totally different video for a collab that I was doing, but it was my Zone 2, and so y'all will be able to kind of see that. That's why I'm not going to share it here today, but normally I will kind of do a recap of what I did the previous week. So real quick, I want to share with you what's really been working for me for zone cleaning. You might remember that I did a video a few weeks back. I don't remember the exact name of the video, but it was something about zone cleaning. I must be doing this wrong or something like that. I was kind of feeling down. I was very frustrated. I was kind of feeling like I wasn't getting the hang of everything, but I also knew that it wasn't the place that I needed to quit. I knew that I needed to keep going. I needed to just get up, dust myself off, and keep moving forward. And that's what I've done. And like I said, things are really starting to feel smooth. All right, so let's talk about this week. Today's Monday, so this is the day that you're typically going to do your weekly home blessing hour. Some of you may choose to break that up over the week and do a different task each day. That's totally fine. Others of you may do your weekly home blessing hour a different day of the week. That's totally fine. I am finding that I kind of do a little bit of a combination. Sometimes I do it on Monday and those weeks are great. Other weeks I find that I'm super busy and I can only get in one task a day. That's okay because it's still done by the end of the week. I'm learning that it's okay for me to be flexible and not beat myself up over this. The main thing is that by the end of the week, it gets done. As far as zone cleaning, this week is Zone 3, which for most of us, that is our main bathroom and then another room. It depends on how you have your house broken up into zones. So I want you to work on whatever it is that you are planning to work on for Zone 3. Let me know in the comments, what are you going to be doing for Zone 3? I'm finding that for me, because I don't typically do zone cleaning on Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, because Monday I typically do my weekly home blessing hour, so I don't dedicate that day to doing any zone cleaning. That leaves me 4 days to do my zone cleaning, and if I figure 15 minutes a day, that's still an hour's worth of zone cleaning. So what I've chosen to do, what's really been working for me, is for me to look at the zone cleaning list and pick the top 4 things that I really want to get done. So I've been writing those things down and I just pop them in my planner. You can pop them in your control journal, wherever it is that you're keeping up with this. But I write down the top 4 things that I want to do for my zone cleaning for that week. Some weeks, this has kind of been fluid, like my weekly home blessing hour. Some weeks I will do 15 minutes on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. And then a lot of weeks I end up just doing an hour's worth on Friday. We're a homeschool family. I'm a homeschool mom. I've got 2 kids that I teach. I also have this YouTube channel that takes a lot of time. We also have kids that are in activities and things like that. So sometimes I just have to be flexible, and sometimes doing it all in one day just works out better for our schedule, and that's okay. However you choose to do that for you, do what works best for you. So these are the 4 things that I'm going to be focusing on this week. For zone 3, I've got my upstairs bathroom and then also my kids' rooms. Now I have found that my kids' rooms and husband's office, that's what's upstairs for me. A lot of times the one task, I can actually get it done in all 3 rooms if I do it really quick. So my 4 tasks for this week are going to be to clean the upstairs shower. There's actually 2 of them up there. My kids only use one, so the other one I just kind of rinse it out occasionally. So I'm going to clean one shower. I'm going to wash my kids' comforters. I like to do that at least once a month. Wash all of the bedding, not just the sheets. My 3rd thing is I'm going to dust blinds. I should easily be able to do that in all 3 rooms upstairs in 15 minutes. And then my 4th task is going to be to dust and polish all of the wood furniture upstairs. So all the dressers and bookcases and shelves and things like that. I'm gonna take everything off, wipe everything very thoroughly, use my spray and stuff to make the wood look nice and shiny. And that will be my zone cleaning for zone 3. I'm gonna just focus on getting those 4 things done. I have found that by just focusing on those 4 things that I don't get overwhelmed. It feels very doable. I have these things written down, like I said, in my planner, and it's just simplified this for me. And then the next month I will look at that room and I'll figure out the top 4 things that need to be done that month based on my actual zone cleaning checklist. All right, so what I want y'all to do is let me know down below. All right, so right now we are in zone 3 starting this week. Let me know what day you plan to do your weekly home blessing hour. Are you going to do it Monday? Are you going to do it a different day? Are you going to break it up over the week? And then also, what tasks are you looking to accomplish this week for zone cleaning? You don't have to do like I do and pick your top 4. You might want to just go back, look in your control journal and pick up where you left off last time. Are you going to spend 15 minutes a day? Are you going to do it all at once and spend about an hour? Let me know. And then next Monday, I will be back and I will be able to share with you what I got accomplished and then my plan for next week. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you are now motivated to get your week started off right with your routines and your zone cleaning and your weekly home blessing hour. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to let me know what things you're going to be focused on for your zone 3, and then I will see you guys soon.